How to fix this page isn't available right now on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first thing, what you will have to do is make sure you have the latest version of Instagram in your phone, whether it is your Android phone or an iPhone. Go to Play Store or your App Store and then search for Instagram. If there is an update button, simply get tap on it and get the latest version of Instagram. After that, tap and hold the Instagram application. After that, go to App Info. Then go to its storage section and then tap on Clear Cache. And your problem should be fixed. Sometimes this is a server issue. If that is so, you can do nothing but wait for the server to fix itself. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.